Rosie, are you ready for surfing?
Sure! Even though I am a beginner at surfing, I'll try my best.
Alrighty! In 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Alright, my friend. Just stand very closely and keep it steady.
Okay, I'll just... Oh! Keep steady!
Nice one! Now we have to wait for the moment until the wave comes towards us.
You mean right behind us?
Oh! Ah! Let's try that again. Rosie, we're finally doing it!
Awesome! Let's keep doing that until it wears off.
Yeah, and... Oh no! What happens if it wears off? Whirlpool!
We did it! Wait, where did the whirlpool come from?
I don't know.